Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is the Colourful Chef Kate, and today I'm going to teach you a super simple and easy snack for one. Now this snack you can make with things that you will have in your cupboard and in your freezer. So let's get started making the raspberry and cocoa mug cake. The bonus is it doesn't make many dishes. So get yourself a mug. You are going to need, first we're going to put our dry ingredients in. So 3 tablespoons of self-raising flour. When you're measuring something out, grab a butter knife so you can measure it out like this. If you just have a tablespoon like this, that'll work too. Into that, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now the sugar is optional, so if you want to use a little less, that's okay too. So 1, 2, any sugar will work. And we're going to put 2 teaspoons of cocoa. So I'm just going to open this like this. And 2 teaspoons of cocoa. And that's all our dry ingredients. We're going to give that a bit of a mix. Now cup like that. Now, add our wet ingredients. A dash of vanilla, and a dash means just a teeny tiny little bit. A tablespoon of milk. A tablespoon of oil, and 1 egg. And we're going to mix that as well. Now the flour I used was self-raising flour, and I actually used wholemeal. You can use wholemeal or plain, and if you don't have any self-raising flour, a tip is you just need some plain flour with a pinch of baking powder in this recipe. All right, so I've given that a good mix. Now we'll add our raspberries. If you don't have any frozen raspberries, a nice ripe banana is delicious in this, or any fruit cut up. We're going to add a 1/4 of a cup of frozen raspberries in there. Give this another good mix, and then this just goes into the microwave for 3 minutes on high. After 3 minutes, you're going to test and see if it's ready. To test and see if this is ready, you take a knife or a skewer and you put it in there and you see if it's got anything on it when it comes out. This isn't ready because we haven't cooked it yet. All right, guys, I'm going to put this for 3 minutes on high. Check it. If it's not ready, extra 30 seconds at a time until it is. There you go, your very own raspberry choc mud cake. Ready so quick with barely any mess. See you next time.